Mark, good morning. Mike Pugliese coming at you live from Prime Motor Cars, Prime Mercedes down in Scarborough, Maine. I see you're from somewhere in the New York area. Obviously found our 2017 work truck, Toyota Tundra work truck. So I wanted to shoot you a quick video so you had a little bit more of a personal look at the truck. We just took it in a couple weeks ago. Beautiful work truck. Has a lot of extra little features, that covered cap with the access panels on the side and some custom shelving in the back, which we will get to. Just over 35,000 miles. Your standard Toyota Tundra work truck. You know, it's got the all-season mats in the bottom, radio, air, CD player. I believe it has cruise control, but just again, you know, your basic you know, work truck all around, just reliable, big V8. Has that half cab in the back, you know, that Toyota offers. So plenty of room in that back actually. So I went and opened the shelves for you, opened the storage unit, and I popped open the back here. The gentleman just you know, they put some sort of custom shelves. Nothing too crazy, but just enough for work to get the job done. A little bit of storage options. Obviously, you can just take that right out if you didn't find any use for it. But you know, overall, in good shape. You know, big Geolander all-season Yokohama tires. Plenty of tread, plenty of meat on them. The body is, I'd say, above average. Overall, really good shape. So definitely a good opportunity to get into a work truck if you are in the market. Reed's kind of cascading down the bottom bumper. Trailer hitch, I think standard trailer hitch, tow hitch from Toyota, which is obviously nice. So pretty good opportunity here to potentially get into a truck. So why don't we hop in? We'll hop in the cab and we'll do a quick loop around the dealership. Okay, Mark. So here we are inside the cabin of the Toyota Tundra. So again, I'm sorry. I mentioned outside cruise control, also has Bluetooth too, and I believe backup camera as well. So a lot of standard features that comes even on, you know, your base work truck Toyota Tundra. Still has a good amount of features: automatic lights, power mirrors, you know, an access light in the back for the cab, which is nice. Tow and a haul mode on this truck. Your trailer brake that was built in to the truck. You have your four-wheel high and four-wheel low options on the fly, which is really nice. I don't know how much research you've done on the Toyota brand, but it's a, you know, this is a six-seater with a decent amount of storage in here, cup holders, things of that nature. So it's actually pretty functional if you really are in a pinch and you need 6 passengers in the truck. That's nice. And if you don't, you got a decent amount of room in their style half cab truck. So pretty nice opportunity. We'll do a quick little loop around here, around the dealership, and again, I love the feel of this truck. I really do. It rides unbelievably smooth. Has those, I believe, 410 gears in the back, so really peppy, really torquey. Just a really great feel to this truck. Makes for towing and hauling that much easier. I don't know if you have driven one yet or not, but it's just a really smooth transmission, really smooth feel. Truck on the road and driving, the truck might as well be brand new. That's how it feels. So what I'm going to do is I'll have Reed cut this up for you, edit it, and I'll send it right out to you. And we will hopefully be in contact after you take a peek at the video. Email, text, phone calls, good, whatever you feel comfortable with, and hopefully we'll be in contact. We'll set up a time. It works out best for us both. So have fun, Mark. Take a peek, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much.